SVR. SVR.
Wind damage to roof.
On KZZ31.
And power lines is possible.
It's right here.
Older towns within us. Dublin, Thornhill, Bedford, New Morgan, Hatfield, Kirkcaldy, Cooktown, Eagleville, Stowe, Pittsburgh, Springmount, Beckett,
Ignore the music. I'm in my grandma's house.
Doylestown, and Choiceville. This includes the following.
Let's go, SVR.
Your weather may not be imminent. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania
Let's go.
between mile markers 1 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Burke, Buck, Chester, Lehigh, Montgomery, and Northampton.